Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lucas.
I'm Dylan.
And welcome to the shop.
Let's go.
We both went to a Fabick Cat education program after high school and are now working for Fabick Cat, our local cat equipment dealer, together.
Both of us went through a different program after high school and ended up with really awesome jobs. I had absolutely no clue what I wanted to do after high school. I felt like I was getting all this pressure from my parents and even my teachers and my counselors to figure out what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. Even thinking about it now, the rest of my life, it seemed a little aggressive, but it did get me thinking about the things I did know for sure. School was not my thing, and I didn't want to go to a four-year college. So I've always been good with fixing things, and I did kind of like working on my car, but never really thought it was something I could make money doing, you know? So when my counselor mentioned FABTECH, Fabick Cat's one-year program, I wasn't sure if I knew enough about heavy equipment, but I figured it sounded way better than my other options. So.
My story of getting here is a little different than his. I have always been into heavy equipment. My dad had a skid steer growing up. He would buy parts and work on it himself. As I got older, he would let me help out. I've always thought it would be super cool if I could be a mechanic or something, working on stuff like that, or even bigger machines, like that stuff you see building roads or tearing down old buildings. My cousin went through ThinkBIG, Fabick Cat's 2-year program. He was just a few years older than me and really liked the program. I wasn't sure if I should go with the 1-year or the 2-year program, but my cousin liked living on campus at ThinkBIG. I thought that would be fun for me to try, so I applied for ThinkBIG.
Yeah, and once I picked a program, it was super easy to apply online. After that, I did some testing, which I was kind of nervous about, but that was just because I didn't have any experience. But they made me feel comfortable.
Then we did the whole interview thing, which was new to me, but I was selected.
Yeah, me too. And I also qualified to receive scholarship to help with tuition. And then once I got to school, it was pretty cool. Yeah, there was like classroom stuff, but we also got to work in shop facilities, on training, on drivetrain repairs. And the crazy thing is, my parents always wanted me to get a degree in something, so they were actually pretty happy to hear that while FABTECH is only a 1-year program, we earn a technical diploma. And if I wanted to, at some point, I could use the credits from this program towards an Associates of Applied Science degree.
Yeah, I was pumped to experience hands-on stuff. Construction equipment was something I knew a thing or two about already, but in the program, I learned how to service cat equipment using insane diagnostic systems. Definitely more advanced technology than I had worked with previously, and tools I'd never even seen before. With the 2 years of training, you have a little more time to learn about the business side, which helps if one day you want to go into management. Also, we got to do on-the-job training in a real Fabick Cat shop after each classroom session, and the paid internship really sets this program apart from other training schools.
I looked forward to each day, actually, for the first time ever in my school experience. It's because each day was different, and I felt like I was problem solving and learning about machines and engines across a ton of different industries. Construction, ag, forestry, marine, road building, earth moving, the list goes on, right? And my parents wanted me to go to college, so this program made them happy too.
And my parents just wanted me to get a job that paid a decent salary. Turns out this is a great field for a solid paycheck with room to grow. And the program itself was way less money than other 2 or 4-year programs. I was able to apply and qualify for financial aid, which helped make it more affordable. And the instructors were super knowledgeable. We both got to work with the Fabick Cat team. Those guys are experts and they taught us so much then, and now we get to work with them every day. So it not only felt like real on-the-job training, it was real on-the-job training.
Yeah, before I knew it, we were over here working at a real dealership with real jobs for Fabick Cat.
Just like that, hired full-time, making a real salary, and more than most of our buddies actually.
Oh yeah, so check it out. It's not for everyone, but could be for you.